So let's have a look at the ways we can manipulate equations. Firstly, to eliminate a positive number, we minus. Let's say we had x plus 2 is equal to 4. To solve, we needed x to be by itself, so we need to eliminate this 2. So I would minus 2, and because I did it to the right hand side, to the left hand side, sorry, I also need to do it to the right hand side. So I would have that x is equal to 2. Let's have another quick example. So x plus 3 gives 5. I want to solve for x, I need to get rid of this 3. I would minus 3 from both sides. Okay, so then we would have the case where we need to eliminate a negative number. So to eliminate a negative number, we add. Let's say we had x minus 2 gives 3. We want to solve for x, we need x by itself. So to eliminate this minus 2, I need to add 2. And since I added 2 on the left, I need to add 2 on the right. And I see x would be 5. Let's do another. I need to eliminate this minus 3, so I would add 3. There we go. Now we're going to have a look at eliminating a multiplied number. And to eliminate a multiplied number, we need to divide. Right, so let's see how we go about this. So firstly, I need to get rid of this 1 before I deal with this 3x. So to get rid of this 1, I would minus 1 from both sides. Ten minus 1, that would give us 9. Right, now I need to get rid of this 3 and this 3x. This means 3 multiplied by x when expanded. And the rule is to eliminate a multiplied number, we need to divide. So I would divide by 3, so I would get just x. And if I do it to the left, that's allowed as long as I do the same thing to the right. And we see that x would be 3. Let's have another one. Firstly, I need to get rid of this minus 3, so I would add 3. Then I would need to get rid of this 2, which is multiplied by x, so I now need to divide by 2. Next, we need to learn how to deal with a divided number. And to eliminate a divided number, we multiply. Let's say we had x over 3 is equal to 2. We want to solve for x. What's stopping x from being by itself? Well, there's this 3 that is being divided here. How do we get rid of this 3? Well, according to this rule here, to eliminate a divided number, we multiply. So I would multiply by 3, and I'm allowed to do that as long as I do the same thing to the other side. So I see x would be 6. Let's have a go at another. Okay, so first I would need to get rid of this plus 1, and to do that I would minus 1 from both sides. And 3 minus 1, that's going to be 2. Okay, and now I need to get rid of this 4 that is on the denominator here, And to eliminate a divided number, we multiply. So I multiply by 4 on either side, and I see that x would be 8. Next, let's consider to eliminate a squared number. And to eliminate a squared number, we take the square root. Let's say we had x squared plus 1 is equal to 10. Firstly, we need to get rid of this plus 1 by minusing 1 from both sides. Then we need to get rid of this square to solve for x, to get x alone. And to eliminate a square, we need to take the square root. And you could do a quick check on your calculator to see exactly how this works. So type in the square root of 3 squared, see what that gives. Type in the square root of 5 squared, see what that gives. What you would see is that the square and the root cancel each other out. Right, so what would remain here is just x, and the root of 9, that's going to be 3. Let's have a go at another. Right, so we need to solve for x. We need to get rid of this plus 3 first. So I would minus 3 from both sides. Right, then I need to get rid of this square. And to do that, I would take the square root. Okay, and lastly, let's see how we eliminate a square root. I'm sure you've seen the pattern by now. So to eliminate a square root, we go ahead and square. Say we had the square root of x plus 1 is gonna be 2. Okay, so before I deal with the square root, I need to get rid of this plus 1. So I would minus 1 from both sides. This won't give us a workable answer. Let's do 4. Okay, so I would minus 1 from both sides. Then to get rid of this square root, I would square both sides. So the root and the square cancel each other. X would be 9. Let's go again. Firstly, let's change this to 1. Firstly, let's get rid of this plus 1. And I do that by minusing 1 from both sides. And then I need to get rid of this root, so I would square. I see that x is gonna be 16. Now there is one other thing to note, and that's we also have things such as cubes and cube roots, but those would be dealt with when looking at indices. So that's it. Those are the 6 rules to manipulate any algebraic equation.